What did you do to him?
What? I just left out some cookies like we're supposed to do.
Okay, then why does he look like that?
I may have put a little something in them cookies, I'm not gonna lie.
What did you put in them?
Well, you see, I figured he was gonna have a really long night, so I figured I'd help out a bit and... God, what did you put in the cookies?
Weed. Yeah, those cookies, those are edibles.
Wait. You put out edibles as our cookies.
Correct.
And just to confirm, that's Santa there.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're gonna be on the naughty list for life.
Oh, no. We are gonna be on the naughty list for life.
What you mean we?
I wrote a Christmas card with both our names on it.
You did what?
Yeah. Merry Christmas, though.
You know what? Merry Christmas. And if you have any cookies now, would be the time to give. Yeah, I got you.
Who's that pretty girl?